Imagine you're meeting a friend and you need to tell them where you are. I'm next to the cafe. I'm in front of the station. These simple phrases make communication so much easier. Today you'll learn the most useful prepositions of place for everyday English. Clear, practical, and easy to use. Let's start with 3 prepositions you use all the time: in, on, and under. On means something touches a surface. The cup is on the table. In is for something inside. The keys are in the bag. Under means below something. The dog is under the chair. Now, let's look at how things relate to each other. Next to means very close. The lamp is next to the sofa. Behind means at the back. The bookshelf is behind the chair. In front of means at the front. The coffee table is in front of the sofa. Now, let's look at between, above, and below. Between means in the middle of 2 things. The picture is between 2 bookshelves. Above means higher than something, without touching. The clock is above the TV. Below means lower than something. The drawer is below the counter. Before we go on to our practice session, if you are enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe so we can make more of these videos for you. So now let's practice find the object. Where is the phone? It's next to the laptop. Where is the notebook? It's under the pen. Where is the plant? The plant is on the table. Where is the rug? It's in front of the bed. Where is the table? The table is between the chairs. Where is the blanket? It's in the bag. Where is the shelf? It's above the sink. Where is the sofa? It's below the picture. Well done, everyone! Now let's review the prepositions we've learned today. Repeat them after me. On, in, under, next to, behind, in front of, between, above, below. Which prepositions are easy for you or difficult? Comment below to get help. These prepositions help you describe your surroundings clearly in English. Use them at work, when giving directions, or any time you talk about places. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English practice.